Let's talk about the AirPods Pro 2 and where I got these from. I got these from a supplier across the water, and basically these are the AirPods Pro 2 that are one-to-one to the original. Everything like packaging, the features of the AirPods, like I'm going to show you guys in this video. Even taking off the pull tabs at the back to unbox it is exactly the exact same way you would receive real AirPods if you bought them from Apple. And when you get into the contents of the box, you do see that you get the Design by Apple in California paperwork with the exact paperwork that you get from Apple. Next, you will have the ear tips that you would get to adjust it from extra small to maybe a medium or a large. And lastly, you have the charger that's USB-C to Lightning. And when I got the AirPods and got them in my hands, the weight on these were actually outstanding. It felt like real AirPods. You do have the speakers at the bottom and the lanyard as well, and everything on this, the build quality, the materials actually felt like an original AirPod that you would get from Apple. And when it comes to pairing AirPods, the exact same way you pair original AirPods, you open them up, you have the pop-up menu, you tap on connect, hold down the button on the back for a few seconds, and the AirPods are completely paired to your iPhone or whatever products you want. And special things are the things that you get the AirPod battery percentage and the case battery percentage, which is amazing for reps or clones of the original AirPod. And when it comes to the software of these AirPods, you can see that it comes with every feature and every setting that you get with original AirPods. And favorite part about these is that you get Apple Care Plus or warranty when you go check them in the settings or on Apple's website. And now the big question, does ANC and other features work? And I'll say yes, ANC works. You literally can't hear anything outside, and transparency is one of the best things as well. You can hear your surroundings when playing music at high volumes as well. The only thing that wouldn't work is just spatial audio. And when it comes to the sound quality, I'll say I'll give these a solid 8 out of 10. These might be the best AirPod Pro Tools that I've actually received from a supplier. The links will be down below in the description. But as you can see here, I'm checking out the features even in iOS 26, and everything shows and works like how it's supposed to be, just not spatial audio. Another feature is that the control stems do work, like the volume going up and down, playing the next song, pausing and playing, going to the previous song, or just double tapping or triple tapping to change the songs that you're listening to. They're very accurate and responsive when it comes to these type of things, which I actually welcome, as other AirPod Pro Tools that I got in the past were very finicky or it won't just work properly. And with all that being said, I hope you guys did like the video. Drop a like down below and subscribe. If you want to pick these up for yourself, for family, friends, or you want to buy them to resell, you can with the link down below in the description. And I'll give these from unboxing to feature and the build a solid 8 out of 10. I highly would say you should get these. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys have a great day and a blessed week. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.